how do I restrict my Facebook profile? Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to restrict your Facebook profile, configuring it however you want. And the process, guys, is pretty straightforward. So let's go. You're going to open Facebook, the app, then click up here on these three lines. Click on the option down here, Settings. In Settings, you can click here on Privacy Checkup, which is the easiest way to see what's enabled and what isn't. In Privacy Checkup, click here on Who can see what you share. So this option shows you in an easy way what you're enabling and disabling. I'm going to click. So it shows here profile info, audience, tagging, and blocking. Click Continue. Here you can configure relationship settings, hide your birth date, whatever you want, folks. Just click on it and you can set who sees this information. Click Next here, folks. So, who can see your future posts? If you click up here, you can change it. So set it to friends, then click Save. Who can see your stories? If you want to change this too, you can. Public, friends, or custom. And also limit who can see your previous posts. So click Next here. This option is for tagging, folks. Who can tag you? So here, for example, if people tag me, only I can see it. So you can click up here and change it. When someone tags you, everyone can see friends of friends, friends, or only me. So you can also choose the tagging settings however you want. Click below to continue, and you can also see your block list of people. Click on Block People, and it'll show you the list of people you've blocked. To unblock them, just click on it. So in this section, guys, you can manage tagging here, remove your tags from photos, and control who can see your posts. There's also an option here, folks, for who can see your friends. Write down here who can see your friends, so only I can see my list. Who can see the people and pages you follow? Only me. Over here on the side, guys, is how people find you on Facebook. If you click it, you can also configure who can find you on Facebook by clicking Continue. Who can send you friend requests? You can set it to everyone or just friends of friends. Click down here to continue, and you can also adjust more blocking settings if you want. You can restrict your profile as much as possible here on Facebook. Got it, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it there. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.